Welcome to Virtual Office Training. Today we will learn how to use disk cleanup option to save your hard disk space. You can also compress all files in your hard drive. If you want to use this option, you have to just go to my computer. There are three different drives. I need to delete unnecessary files of drive C, and also I want to compress old files. Just select drive C and right click and go to the properties. It is showing use space and free space of your hard disk, but I need to use disk cleanup option. Click disk cleanup. You can use disk cleanup to free up 35 KB of disk space on C. I have already used this option, that's why it is showing very low amount of memory. Just see how much in temporary internet files are taking space and check this option. And I want to use compress all files option as well. Just select all the option which you are required to delete these files which are unnecessary, and also you can also use compress all files. Press OK. It will ask you, are you sure you want to perform these action? Press yes. Now your hard disk has been cleaned with unnecessary files. Hope this tip will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.